Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Glad to have you back on the program. It's Inside the Niger Delta, the authentic voice of Nigeria's oil-rich region. Lawmaker representing Sagbama Ikirimo Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Honorable Fred Agbedi, has appealed to the top contender in the September 3 governorship primary election of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Bayelsa State, Chief Timi Alaibe, not to proceed with any further legal action challenging the victory of Senator Doyediri as the party's flag bearer. Honorable Agbedi made the appeal shortly after a federal high court sitting in Owerri upheld Senator Doyediri's election as lawful and valid. Correspondent Lovely Ofigo has more.
In its judgment, the Federal High Court sitting in Owerri dismissed Alaibe's suit for failing to prove that the PDP wrongfully nominated Senator Doyediri as its candidate for the November 16, 2019 governorship election in Bayelsa State. The court noted that the plaintiff's application was entertained because it was filed not later than 14 days after the September 3, 2019 governorship primary election of the PDP. It, however, maintained that the case was an internal affair of the PDP and that the plaintiff was incompetent to urge the party to conduct a fresh primary election.
Judgment is inspirational, the judgment is sagacious, the judgment is righteous, and the judgment is scrupulous. This judgment, the judiciary has again given judicial imprimatur to the position of Senator Doyediri as the governor of Bayelsa State, as most recently confirmed, affirmed, and guaranteed by the Supreme Court of Nigeria.
Also reacting to the judgment, Honorable Fred Agbedi, who vied for the party's ticket to contest the governorship election in Bayelsa State, urged Alaibe not to proceed on the case.
For some of us, there is no victor, there is no vanquish. The only thing to say here is not only a party matter, it's a matter between brothers, and I'm part of that relationship. And so it's to call on Mr. Timi Alaibe to please sheath the sword, join your brother who is now governor. Let's work together the way we have done before and ensure that Bayelsa gets development from this administration.
Having lost at the court of first instance, most Alaibe supporters may want to know their principal's next line of action.
The court has done its constitutional duty and then it has made its position known on this particular dispute. We would communicate same to our counsel who will decide on the next step to take. Then he will take the final decision.
Alaibe had prayed the court to invalidate Senator Diri's declaration as winner of the PDP governorship primary elections, which was allegedly conducted in violation of the party's constitution.
Inside the Niger Delta.